Latelyai Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you manage social media, Latelyai promises to automate content creation and scheduling, but can it actually save time and improve engagement? One of the biggest pros is automation. Most people get this wrong by thinking content creation is fully manual. Latelyai uses AI to generate social media posts from blogs, newsletters, or long-form content, cutting down hours of writing and formatting. This helps teams maintain consistent posting schedules with less effort. Another advantage is analytics. The app tracks engagement, showing which posts perform best and offering insights on timing, hashtags, and content style. This data-driven approach helps improve reach and audience interaction. Latelyai also supports multiple platforms and team collaboration, allowing marketing teams to plan campaigns, approve posts, and schedule content efficiently. Its AI tools suggest improvements and repurpose content, maximizing the value of existing materials. However, there are cons. Some users report that AI-generated posts may require editing to match brand voice. The subscription model can be pricey for smaller businesses, and new users may face a learning curve in navigating all features. Dependence on AI also means creativity might feel limited if overused. In conclusion, Latelyai is a strong tool for automating social media content and tracking engagement. The surprising truth is that while it saves time and offers data insights, human oversight is still essential to ensure posts align with brand identity. For marketing teams looking to streamline social media, Latelyai can be a game changer, but it works best when combined with thoughtful human input.